Have you ever stopped to think that the gimbal, that mechanical stabilizer that has always been a symbol of quality in drones, might be living its final days? That's right, and the Mini 5 Pro could be the last DJI drone ever released with a gimbal. And this isn't just a wild guess, it's an irreversible trend. In this video, I'm going to show you why this technology, which was once revolutionary, may soon disappear. The gimbal is a mechanical stabilization system, usually with 2 or 3 axes. It works by compensating for sudden movements of the drone, keeping the camera stable and leveled, even in windy conditions or during fast maneuvers. But here's a fun fact: the gimbal wasn't originally invented for drones. Long before that, it was already being used in ships, helicopters, and the film industry. In other words, it was later adapted for drones, and ended up becoming an essential piece of equipment. When drones first started becoming popular, their cameras were fixed. Even so, the ability to capture aerial footage was revolutionary at the time. But the quality was very poor. Vibrations and the drone's movements ruined both stability and framing. That's when the gimbal changed everything. Not only did it make the footage perfectly stable, but it also allowed pilots to tilt the camera up and down, regardless of the drone's angle. Over time, the gimbal evolved. It became more compact and efficient, gradually integrating with the drone and camera until it stopped being just an accessory and became part of the equipment itself. DJI was a pioneer in this technology, starting with the Zenmuse, then moving to the Phantom, Mavic, Inspire, and many other models that helped popularize aerial image capture. If you'd like to learn more about this story, check out the link I'll leave at the end of this video. But it wasn't just the gimbal that evolved. In parallel, another revolution was happening: the camera sensors. Technological advances made it possible to manufacture increasingly larger and higher resolution sensors, which opened the door for the development of electronic stabilization systems. The camera captures a larger image area than what's actually needed, and this extra margin works as a buffer zone, which the processor trims away to stabilize the central part of the image. Electronic stabilization, also known as EIS, is gradually eliminating the need for motors and mechanical parts, and with the evolution of artificial intelligence, this technology has taken a huge leap forward. The gimbal was a revolutionary accessory, but it has always been a necessary evil. It's heavy, consumes a lot of energy, and is fragile. Getting rid of it will bring many advantages, making drones lighter, more efficient, and more robust. This revolution has actually been happening quietly for quite some time. It started back in 2021 with the launch of the DJI FPV, and now continues with the Avata and Neo. They eliminated 2 motors and most of the moving parts of the gimbal, keeping only the tilt motor. All other movements and vibrations are stabilized electronically through the Rocksteady system, developed by DJI itself. This isn't exclusive to drones. Action cameras and smartphones also feature electronic stabilization systems, delivering impressively smooth footage without the need for any mechanical parts. But the biggest revolution is starting with 360-degree spherical cameras. In recent years, they've advanced significantly, and beyond stabilization, they can now electronically correct edge distortions while also allowing framing from any angle. It's as if we had multiple high-resolution cameras pointing in every direction at the same time. This impressive 360 camera technology is about to break into the drone world. The first initiative was recently announced in a partnership between Insta360 and Anti-Gravity, with the reveal of the A1, supposedly the first drone with a spherical 360-degree camera. But now, we know it's nothing more than an idea on the horizon, since its official launch is only scheduled for January 2026. That leaves plenty of time for DJI to react and unveil its own 360 drone. After all, we know DJI already has the technology for this. They just need to combine the two and create a device that will be a true game changer. After it, the drone world will never be the same. Replacing the gimbal with 360-degree lenses will make drones lighter, increase their flight time, make them more robust, and allow them to capture footage in all directions. Moreover, the images captured by 360-degree lenses can also be used for a collision avoidance system without blind spots, eliminating several sensors that consume power and add weight. With all these advantages, I believe DJI will no longer see a reason to continue releasing new drones with gimbals. Except for models designed for very specific tasks, such as cinematic drones, that require cameras with multiple sensors and high-quality lenses, like the Mavic and Inspire series, or security drones that need thermal cameras or powerful zoom, like those in the Matrix line. But for general use drones, I believe the Mini 5, Avata 3, and Neo 2 will be the last models to use mechanical stabilization via gimbal. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.